So here we have the Ford Focus on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. We have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge in the centre at the bottom. And above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 15,695. You can change information displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. So as you can see, we have settings, telephone, audio, navigation menus, and also back around to this My View setting, which will enable you to customize what is shown on the screen just there. For example, as you can see, you can have a digital readout for the speedometer if you wish. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using just a second ago are here. We have phone and stereo controls there as well. Stereo controls on the left along with cruise control and speed limiter. And then the main stereo over in the centre. So we're on the audio menu at the moment, where you can see we have AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio. You can stream your music wirelessly that way should you wish to. We've also got two separate USB inputs. If you plug devices into those, they will appear up here as further options for you. Back out to the home screen. And on here is where you can access your satellite navigation. We've done a video showing how the sat-nav works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel. And we compare our phone from here.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow the instructions on screen from there. We have the main volume for the stereo, your CD player of course, and then the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed, determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. That's your air conditioning off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed for you. You can override that manually, either by deciding what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in or the fan speed. We have got a heated rear screen, a heated front screen, heated driver seat and passenger seat, USB and your 12-volt charging socket, 6-speed manual gearbox. You can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. We can also turn off our traction control and change the driving setup of the car from normal to eco or sport. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.